Hi everybody, I have a message to share with you in Ephesians 4 verse 27. Neither give place to the devil. So God doesn't want you to give place to the devil. God wants you to block his agendas. God doesn't want you to think lustful things in your thoughts. God doesn't want you to act in evil works. God doesn't want you to brag. God doesn't want you to gossip. God wants you to stop doing that kind of things. Where is your armor of faith? That is what the Lord has said to you. I am instructing you fully to live in your faith. I am instructing you fully to wear all of your armors. But you just take it off. Don't take it off. Put it on again. Bring the sword back again. Take the helmet of salvation again. Have faith in me. Thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. Bye.